What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Two Deals video, and today I got some President's Day heat for you. Well, I'll say more like a warm blanket. Some of these things are real good, but most of them are like, just good. So starting off at Home Depot, we have this DeWALT kit. Now, I'm gonna work backwards so I can show you what this hacks out to be. All right, so the kit itself turns out to be $250, $350 if you don't want to keep the extra Powerstack 5 amp hour battery. So you see that 253, pay attention. All right, let's go ahead and close that out. Let's back it on up. All right, so what we get here is this DCF 900. They do have a bigger boy out now, but this still packs a wallop. It's better than a Milwaukee 2767. I know I still reference that because it is a legend, even though they have the newer one out. But the newer one ain't 253 as a kit. Now, the thing that makes this kit so nice is, yes, it comes with the charger in the bag, but it also comes with a 5 amp hour Powerstack battery, not that 1.7 amp hour one. And the free gift is the $229 same Powerstack 5 amp hour battery. And to get all of this for $253, I don't think I need to tell you that's a deal. I don't know if this is a glitch, because really it's buy this battery and you get something free. And for whatever reason, this whole kit was in that. So if you need a high torque impact wrench, this is it. I would say grab this, because all the other tools are reasonable, like a reciprocating saw and all that, not no kit. Okay, moving on over to Lowe's, we have, starting this off, Metabo HPT oscillating tool. I love this oscillating tool. My two favorite oscillating tools are the M12 Milwaukee, because I mean it cuts well and it basically has, I don't want to say no vibration, but it is very, very minimal. The Metabo HPT has more vibration, but that auto mode is undefeated. Okay, that auto mode is undefeated, y'all, straight up. So if you wanted a tool, you didn't really know what you was doing, put this bad boy in auto and just touch whatever it is you're trying to cut, and it'll do the rest perfectly. This is $79, and if you see up here, there's your Rakuten over at Lowe's, 3% cash back on this President's Day. If you're unfamiliar with Rakuten, it's a free cash back extension, just like Retail Me Not. And there's another one there. I wanted to call it Evergy, but that's the name of my electric company. It's something with an E. Extra bucks. There you go. Use the link in the description. You get a bonus $30 when you use that link on top of the 3% cash back here when you shop at Lowe's. So moving on, we have this Skil. I know I don't talk about Skil very much. It's a Shervin product, but I like Skil tools. I mean, the power tools are fine, and they're really inexpensive. So you get this oscillating tool, a 32-piece set. It comes with a whole bunch of different blades. It comes with a little case. It looks like for maybe the blades. I don't know. It comes with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. Now, the cool thing about this charger, you see this little USB port right there? You can charge a battery and another device. And on top of that, Skil has this cool feature with their batteries where you can charge another device straight from the battery, and it will work while this is also simultaneously plugged into another tool. So a couple years ago, the tornado came through, my power went out. I used the Skil flashlight, kept the flashlight on, and I also had it charging my cell phone at the same time. So wonderful tool and feature there, and this thing is only $59. Moving on, we have this DeWALT drill. It's not a hammer drill, it's a little compact drill here, 20 volt, also with a 2 amp hour battery and a 1.7 amp hour Powerstack battery for $169. That's a decent deal there. We also have the impact driver equivalent. Now, the thing about this impact driver, this is DeWalt's, I mean, newest kit on the block. It's the most, well, we'll say it's the fastest, most powerful impact driver that they have. And this also comes with a 2 amp hour battery, a 1.7 amp hour Powerstack battery for also $169. Next, we have this Flex impact driver kit for $199. This is their biggest boy impact driver with a 6 amp hour stacked lithium battery. So it's the same thing as DeWalt's Powerstack, but this bad boy is 6 amp hours. I would think that this is only $300 on its own. Comes with their rapid charger hard case, and again, their big boy impact drive for $199. Not a bad deal at all there. Now, before we get on to this next deal, I've been rambling, but if you got any value from this video so far, please leave me a like. Share this with your brethren. Don't be stingy. Everybody can take advantage of these deals. And consider subscribing so you don't miss any deals in the future. All right. Now, we have this Bosch rotary hammer drill. And it is a 3/4 inch. Now, usually you got to be careful with these little smaller rotary hammer drills like DeWalt's because they don't have a chisel mode. But this bad boy right here has all the modes, okay? All the modes, and this is the cheapest I've ever seen a quality rotary hammer drill at $99. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tempted to pull the trigger myself. Moving on, we also have the Skil drill equivalent to that impact driver for $49.98. Again, being a Sherwin product, the ergonomics on these things is, I mean, these are good tools. They're good tools. I wouldn't take them to the construction site, but for around the house, they brushless. Man, these good tools, all right? Good tools at $49 for that kit there. Moving on, I just said that impact driver, but I meant oscillating tool. But here's the impact driver. Got the impact driver with that ring light right there. And it also, you know how I am with impact drivers with no modes, okay? But for a whopping $59, you have a brushless impact driver here with modes, all right? As a kit, $59. Now, I'm curious. This is a 12-volt kit, but let's see what power this thing packs, because 1,500 inch-pounds, Lord, come on, y'all, what you doing? You need an impact driver. This is it right here. I mean, again, I'm tempted, and I don't need another impact driver. So leaving Lowe's, we about to wrap up. Over here at Amazon, we have this stud finder. It just looks high-techy to me, and this is a President's Day deal. Marked down from $27.99. It's $22.39. Has fantastic reviews. Again, you know how Amazon is, though. So if you do decide to pull the trigger on this, make sure you test it immediately, just in case you need to put in for a return. But I've never used this, but the reviews are great, and I know I need a stud finder, so I thought I'd share what I found. And lastly, we have this power tool organizer. I really like this one because it has the built-in power strip, and it has 8 outlets, and I also like that it is holding 4 power tools on the bottom. You got your second shelf, and then again, all your chargers and stuff at the top. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I will see you guys next time.